Ooh,
Scan
I'm gonna look
results,
forward to
goon.
this. Now that is something to keep in mind.
Get in the elevator, fucking sheep.
I feel like there's gonna be a lot to pick through after this. I feel like we're not getting out of here without a fight.
Chill, B. Remember, we're on their terms.
I think it all remains
So what do you want?
dependent on what you do.
You got a bot, model MT0D12, called the Flathead.
And? The hell you care?
Guy I represent
His
already
name is
paid
Dum
great
Dum?
for it. I'm just here for the pickup. I can talk direct to Royce if necessary.
Nah, you talk to me. Name's Dum Dum. Now couch, planet.
Sit on the couch. Ew.
Oh yeah, this is you.
Oh, no baby.
Well, shit. Goes for you too. I'll stand. This so fucking hard? Fucking ass on the fucking couch! Make me. Thought you'd never ask. Sit your ass down for a planet bullet in your skull.
Jack, sit down.
This ain't gonna end well, but... Shit. Well, alright. Come on. Gotta lighten up. Take a hit.
No, good.
Thanks, I'm good.
You vape, bro?
Not like that,
Whatever
bro.
you say, straight-edged princess.
God, the music here is intense.
Here we go.
Also, these guys look fucking scary.
Model MT0D12.
Every like little bit of design in this game is fantastic.
Militech's not gonna come looking for it?
Fuck them. They can hop around and try. We'll remove the serial number and lifted access.
How do you
logs
take a
using
shower
software.
like that?
What's yours is yours.
I don't think they do.
Need to see it.
Sue yourself. Fucking tricked out this thing. Dynamic thermal optic camo armor.
Ooh,
Full
hey.
cognitive immersion with a Raven controller. Pimped out prototype actuators made of titanium, vanadium, Kevlar composite. So what you think?
It'll have to do.
Look at that. Picky little fucker. Let's see your cred.
Brick got it. It's all paid up.
Brick got it. I don't see any fucking brick around here, do you?
Come on. Can't expect me to pay for this thing twice.
And who the fuck are you to say what can and can't be? You'll pay twice because I say you'll pay twice. Alright. You want the flathead? I better see some eddies.
Relax. Got him right here.
Just like that. Without batting a fucking eye.
Want it or not, I got places to be.
It never did say who you're working for.
And let me tell you,
Dexter Deshawn.
he is setting off every bit of flight or fight in my brain. Look at that
The
face.
hard ass who punching animal fucked half of Pacifica? And he ain't dead?
Ah!
Dead. You hear? Unload on him, please. Cut loose. Let they go, Rose.
Also, I had enough strength to take that motherfucker down, and that felt great.
That was a strength option?
Yeah, you have to have 6 strength.
Nice. Take that jacket.
Give me
Take that
that.
jacket.
Quick.
Give me your helmet.
Give me that shit.
Oh, you gotta.
Fucking bot.
Said, but
Oh, good. Let's go.
Oh shit. I wanted to. Alright. No.
Whoa.
Not. Goodies. Oh, bleach?
Bleach.
Yeah,
oh.
it is.
Drink-
Wow.
Drink that. It gives you a buff.
Yeah, I was about to say, I'm gonna drink it.
15% plus speed on your life.
Ladies and gentlemen.
My handgun
Jackin
skill is
In.
not that high.
First of all, that's like a shotgun revolver. Oh, you're being hacked.
Oh shit. Boom.
Speed. Watch it. Hey, move your asses. Get going up.
Goddamn doors.
Give me that. What the fuck is this guy doing?
Wearing shorts.
Fucking like a bird. Oh fuck yeah. Open this bitch up.
Just go through the door, man.
No, it's cooler this way.
That's how you break swords.
Oh!
Whoa! That guy was made out of milk.
I hope not. No. I'm so happy for you, darling. I really don't want to talk about what just happened, okay?
Oh my god. What the hell are you doing?
Oh, it's a computer. I was like, what the fuck is this?
Hey, no playing Warframe during this time.
Oh, but, the relay needs my help. Oh!
Oh. Yeah, you don't really need to parry a lot when a lot of your enemies are using guns.
Yeah, but whenever I do need to do it, they'll fucking die. Oh my god!
Look, they're made out of milk.
If your milk looks like that, you need to really go to the store.
Oh, lady, jeez. What a exciting pose to die in.
All cleaned up.
What the fuck? Whoa. Wow. merged into the box.
I ain't left for breakfast! Things buzzing around everywhere.
Whoa. Hey.
Dealing with Maelstrom, huh? Never ends well, does it? Looks like you two lucked out a bit.
Whoa, Jesus, calm down.
And you, why are you here?
Well, I still don't know who the mole is. I was hoping the Maelstromers would shed some light on it.
Yeah, I doubt that. Pretty tough to get corpses to talk.
You'd be surprised. I'm sure I'll manage something.
I'll download their data.
It's been a
That's
pleasure.
actually a thing. I know Arasaka can do it. I don't think Militech can, though.
Let's check their browser history. Jackie, what the fuck are you doing all the way there?
Holy shit, V. Wasn't sure we'd walk out in one piece.
Hey, damn. Jackie, I'm gonna need your help over here, buddy.
Oh my god. Jackie, can you please leave the premises?
Jackie.
Jackie, sir, my man, my homeboy, my brother.
Jackie, you're not making this easy on me, buddy.
Day 1 patch, Jackie leaves the premises. Jackie, he's just standing there.
Jack! Okay, I mean...
Oh boy.
See everything just turned into like fucking 2 polygons there?
I like this GTA Liberty City patch.
Oh my god, is he really still fucking in there?
Oh god. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum.
I can't fucking talk to him!
Oh, this
Push me, PS2 man. Jackie, you wanna fucking get your fat ass out here, buddy? I can't. He soft locked me.
Load the game. Oh, he's here.
Come on,
Make
V.
sure he leaves.
Let's get out of here.
You go first.
There we go. Jackie knows how to leave.
In the dick. You got those things buzzing around everywhere. Past the gate. It's out there. Holy shit, V. I wasn't sure we'd walk out in one piece.
I think we're done. What now?
I had enough for one day, let me tell you. Let Dex know we got his toy for him. Fatso ought to crack open a bottle for us after what we did for him today. Ahí luego, V.
Jackie, you
Jackie.
home, buddy?
No.
Oh.
Ya tengo planes para esta noche. Virgen Santísima Ma. Te vas a enterar mañana. Yo también te quiero, Ma. Yeah, about time, Holmes.
What's new with Senora Wells?
You know, she's worried about me. Whatever.
I like his jacket.
Can't help herself, you know?
I mean, I wouldn't roll the sleeves up, but that's me.
Like most of the Wells
I usually
boys.
roll mine up.
It's really starting to wear on me. More I tell her everything's okay, more I feel like I'm straight up lying.
Because you are lying.
But that's done after tomorrow. Afterlife. Here we go, baby.
I hope that's just like, you know, a metaphorical thing.
Honey,
Aw, bro. You're gonna have to try again. Sick grind, bro!
Dude, that was
used to
some
be a
sick ass hops.
Believe that?
Yeah. That one too. Oh shit! Yo!
The Terminator?
What? You want a new friend?
Don't talk to me, I don't care about you.
Fucking
I
the
wanna go full
fucking
Borg. I wanna go full Borg so bad.
Silver Surfer looking at us.
2 tequila old fashions with a splash of cerveza and a chili garnish.
Whoa, Johnny Silverhands coming up.
Hey, Johnny.
Right on, chica.
For the wild
Somebody got
stallions.
homework.
Looks like the dog ate mine.
Age-old tradition. Drinks are named after our regulars.
Say I wanted a drink named after me. What would I have to do?
It's nothing. Mind-blowingly spectacular fashion. Ned would be best.
What a beautiful tradition.
Corpo Fedas.
No. Yeah, that's all that matters.
Being filthy rich.
Filthy rich legends.
Hey. I have $6 on me.
Guess dying's a small price to pay for going down in history.
Yeah, get fucked, Johnny.
Death.
That's why I want to fight Adam Smasher so much. He killed Johnny. I want to fuck with him. Not like, oh god, I can't believe you did that. More so like, yo, he killed Johnny Silverhand? Imagine how fucking cool I'd be if I killed Adam Smasher.
And most importantly,
Mr. Deshawn, see you now.
Oh, alright.
Mr.
Break a
Deshawn,
leg.
no like wait.
Mr. Deshawn, no like wait. I speak easy with words.
Why do big word when few word do trick?
I snuff you like mother with la chancla.
hell, Holmes. Dude,
Well, if it ain't Mr. B.
whole family in one place. Ah, finally.
First time in real space.
And the flathead.
Let's see this bad boy.
Yeah, oh man.
Alright then. Set your butts down, company. I do appreciate you sharing this info though, Mr. B. You see, trust is essential in any partnership that's to be long-lasting and fruitful.
How about we go over the plan? What you got for us, Dex?
This.
Oh, yeah, that.
Well,
Yeah, yes, of course.
Me and
The
Dex
shot.
have already covered the fine details. Ops-wise, should be a stroll on the beach.
Elaborate. I want to hear it.
A Delamain will drop your asses at the front door of Kentucky Plaza. You'll stroll right in thanks to your false identities. Then, with Bug's help, you'll breach the hotel subnet.
Mine and the Flathead's help.
Last but not least, you slip into Yorinobu's penthouse and clep the relic.
It goes without saying, we do this on the hush. Ideally, no bodies. Not a one.
You'll have T-Bug on comms for the duration. Time for your burning questions.
Flathead will
See-
stay there, jacked into the dweller.
This can't go as easy as they keep saying it's going to. Adam Smasher was in there. The only time we've seen inside the penthouse, Adam Smasher was in there. Man, this must be a pretty short game if we're in and out that easy.
Yeah, man.
Totally not like we're about to get something horrible happening.
Oh my god, we walked through that car.
With Delamain, you leave your problems at the door.
Bitch. Better fucking believe I will.
I see no reason why you should be using expletives.
Oh yeah? What about that time I wanted to hire you for my cousin's bachelor party, huh?
Unfortunately, we do not take on such contracts.
3 months I've been saving up scratch.
Don't jack off, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
Jack off in the self-driving car.
Thank you. Excelsior package activated.
Excelsior? Oh, this just keeps getting better.
Dex ain't skimping, is he?
And thanks to you, we're still getting a juicy 40%.
He's talking to me in my brain.
I need you to keep your head clear and in the game. You've got a job to do.
It's never, ever been clearer in my whole fucking life. Let me explain something to you, V. My whole life I've spent in this shit around us. And I ain't going back.
With this
It's
dialogue,
cause for concern.
with this dialogue, something's it's always a bump ahead.
Hey, how's things?
Got static. Say something, Bug.
The The greatest crimes issue from a desire for excess and not from necessity.
Say what now?
Aristotle. Guess you read me then.
Yeah, I read you. Not so much your Greek friend, though it was kind of exciting.
Could give it some thought. Try to understand. How about you, V?
Brain.
Aristotle.
Fuck off, Bo.
Don't worry. Got this.
He does not have the stride down yet. Still walks like a thug.
Oh man, that briefcase is heavy.
Welcome to Konpeki Plaza. Please come through single file.
Hey, where's your buffet?
Sir?
Hold on. Got something. Sir, care to explain why you're bringing a combat bot onto Konpeki Plaza premises?
We're arms dealers.
Excuse me?
Ah, you are here to see Taki-san. Am I right? Please, accept my apologies for the confusion.
This should only take a moment, sir.
Whoa, it's sir. It detects that you are in fact a loser.
Oh, what the fuck? Gold man. Gold woman.
Gold
Greetings
women.
and welcome to Konpeki Plaza. Perfect. I'll go ahead and notify Taki-san of your arrival.
Shit, no good. Not part of the plan. Talk her up, V. Stall.
Have I asked you to do that?
No. I just thought that since...
Who asked you to think?
Yeah,
Excuse me?
bitch.
I know damn well it wasn't me. Who was it? A word of advice, if I may. Do only what you're told to do. Now, what was that room number?
You'll be in the Lapis Lazuli suite on level 42. Oh, one more little formality. Please validate your SID chip.
Honor is all yours, Harry.
Everything seems to be in order. We wish you a pleasant stay.
Thank you.
I don't think their chicken
Better get
nuggets are
going.
good at this place.
God. Starting Corpo just gives you access to being an asshole in
Places
dialogue.
like this, you're either strong
The
or you're
businessman.
Who asked you to think?
What do you think, Harry?
nobody.
Quaint, cozy. Not like the hotel we had in Zurich for that convention.
Don't need that, Jack. Enough.
What? Taking this seriously.
Yeah, stop role playing, Jack. I mean, Ramon. Freaking Car from Cars.
Don't be cringe.
For the part or what? How do I look?
Like somebody put clothes on a dog.
Damn.
Oh,
Get fucked.
yeah, because you look so much better.
Ooh.
I just feel weird.
Put it up again. Right. And you can kick the rat out of the corp, but you'll never kick the corp out of the rat.
Yes, in my dialogue options, bro.
You fire up the flathead and find the shaft digit.
Sounds simple enough.
Simplicity, sometimes toughest to master.
Aurelius, Aristotle. Who's it this time?
Batman.
That one's mine.
Where's the shaft?
Wow. Where'd that boy go?
There goes. Yeah.
Systems are operational. Charge it 100.
Oh, he's like linked
Get
into
that
it.
little conk stock.
Just gonna stand there and look at it? Gonna have to switch to manual control. B, take the control shard from Jackie. Gonna link your Kiroshis to surveillance so you can guide the bot.
It's robot time.
Here.
Here goes.
Patching you through to in-cam view. Might get a little disoriented, but don't freak.
Oh baby.
What the fuck is going on?
What was the point of all this?
Okay, got a clear view.
You can't just go locking people out of their homes.
Get him to the next vent.
sicko mode.
Go absolutely fucked on it. Just start fucking slamming on buttons.
Bang it on it. Oh,
Just
like,
fucking on that shit. Fucking bongos that shit.
you don't have enough intelligence for that.
What do we do now?
I'm not very smart.
Use the flathead to jack into him. I'll flash
Why would
freeze
I-
him with a demon.
Bro,
Only,
damn.
Don't ask.
Dweller won't realize something.
You fucking want us to jack him off with the robot and then get him possessed? What the fuck?
Holy shit.
Through here, he wouldn't feel his breeze.
Got him with the old sucking cuck. Jesus fucking Christ.
The future's now.
Fucking apparently, man. Oh, dumbass.
Yeah, at least this is way more entertaining than the fucking brain dance shit.
I think the brain dance shit would be better if the scenes were like I don't know, i.e. not walk around a room and like drink while someone talks on the phone. Like the first one I liked.
And then like everything's static and you can't see shit. Everything's in 140p.
Oh, you know.
¿Cómo se hace? How you feeling?
Fine. A little dizzy, that's all.
Think. Why'd you give it all up?
Who gave what up?
Yorinobu Arasaka. The good life, I mean. Old news, I know. Just got to
It's
thinking,
probably
so.
like the underlying
It's like,
message of this whole
think.
like story.
You got everything.
Like
right?
die peacefully or go out blazing.
Education.
Oh yeah, it totally is.
Your pops can snap his fingers and turn half the fucking planet into a nuclear wasteland. But instead you're like, nah, fuck it.
Yeah, aside
What
from
do you
like
go do?
the usual political messages behind Cyberpunk.
Steal
Yeah.
drugs or some shit.
What do you
Go
mean
from
it's
your family.
political?
Chip some real skin and
Bro.
play gang leader for a few years.
I don't know.
For what?
Said it yourself. Get the rat out of the corp.
There's no political message in the fourth corporate war between Militech and Arasaka.
Wait, you're telling
Next thing
me
you're gonna say is there is no war in Bossing Say.
He just walked into the lobby. And we are back
Wait,
in
you're
business.
telling me that we could experience living in a world that's controlled by corporations?
Where we advanced overall as a society, yet at the same time degrade to a level where we lose our humanity? No, not
Hold
us.
on a second. Whoa.
Mean the one of mine?
So you're telling me that if we don't rebel against the idea of monopolies and corporations, our lives can be monetized and demonetized at the whim of whoever wants the most cash?
Burritos are sold at vending machines in the corner?
Oh, that one's kind of cool, though.
Not really.
No, I don't be eating microwave burritos like that.
Nah, fuck that. I'm not giving that a chance.
But it's convenient. It's like how there's
Yeah,
vending
but Taco
machines with
Bell's
like.
convenient, but it's not good.
Okay, let's simmer down. All right, the Crunchwrap Supreme kinda hits.
Wanna hear a joke?
Now? Seriously?
I wanna hear a joke.
Okay. So why'd the Rocker Boy's output kick him out of the apartment? Because he wasn't chipping in.
It's a samurai song, by the way.
You're a funny man, Jackie.